Hi, I'm Teresa, and my wife Corine and I moved to Playa del Carmen, Mexico in the year 2022. We came here with our 5 fur babies. So why don't you join us on our adventures with all of the beautiful people and the beautiful places and enjoy. We appreciate you coming. So take care. Subscribe. Hi, hello everyone, and welcome back to Happy Life Plus 5. This is number 2 video from last week. You'll see it over here from our other video of can I make a wild handcrafted starburst mirror out of these seed pods. So far, I think we can. So last week, I glued all of these together. See? And that's how it looked on the back. It was pretty cool too. And so this week we will be painting them because we had 2 people that chimed in, and I appreciate those 2 folks that left comments, and that was at MG-PJ200 and also at Cindy Smith 8233. So ladies or gentlemen, thank you very much, and we appreciate that. We're a small channel, so any comments that you leave shows the algorithm that we are communicating, and it helps boost our views, and we appreciate you. I am so excited for this completion of the Starburst mirror, handcrafted wild. I'm so excited. Yeah, I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose my mind and I think I like it. Woo, yeah. So this week we will be painting, as I said, we will be painting these, and we are going to paint it the electric blue because, like I said, 2 of our people that watch us did comment and said that the blue would look better, but we're going to add some accents to it. I think that's going to be really nice too. It's going to give it some depth. So I've got 2 of my helpers today out of the 5. Over there in the chair is Petite Jolie. Hello. In the other chair we have Frida. Hi, Frida. They are our helpers this week. So last week you did learn a little bit about myself, and not too much, just on my journey of doing art. And I appreciate that you all are looking at the video and hearing our story and our journey, or my story and my journey in the art world. So we're going to continue on. I'm going to have to clip off some of these edges. They're a bit rough around the edges. So these things are very, very strong. I don't want to slice my finger. Woohoo! Look at that. Probably need my miter saw to do this, but it's too hot to go in the backyard or into my studio. I'll show you my studio one day. It's so cute. It's the washroom. But whatever it takes, that's all. Whatever it takes to get the job done. Ooh, that's coming off. Yeah. Let me try to get this one. All the edges. Yeah, that's a better edge. Let me get this one a little better here. Probably have to do it from this side. That E6000. The E6000 is holding very well. So yeah, it's a little bit more uniform now. I'm gonna do a little sanding on it. Not much, just to knock it down a little bit. Yeah, that's great. That's great. So the edges, I knocked down the edges with the sandpaper a bit. Wait a minute. I smell. Oh, babe, I better check the ragu. Come on with me, guys. This is lentil ragu. Ooh, it smells good. I wish you had smell-o-vision. That would be awesome. Let me see.
It's hot. It's cooked.
Mmm.
It's cooked.
Just,
You need the
just
salt.
no, it's perfect.
Nothing.
It's perfect.
So it's cooked.
I let it cook for about 10 more minutes.
One more.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
Yeah. No salt.
No salt.
10 more minutes.
So good. Okay, so now we're gonna go outside and paint. And the heat is so hot, hot, hot. And we're gonna go out there and paint. It's gonna dry. It's gonna be like the sun is gonna bake it. So that's gonna be good. Let's go. It's a little windy today, so I hope this works out. I'm sure it will. Let's start painting. You guys. Safety. Just hope. Look at that blackbird up there. Let's just hope the blackbird doesn't have lunch in his belly and does some numbers on my on my rays. So we're gonna let these dry, and then we'll come back and give them one more coat. But they, like I said, they should dry pretty fast. It's hot, it's 92 degrees today, so they should dry pretty fast. We'll be back. Okay, everything has dried. I think it's absolutely beautiful. We could take a look at it. I kind of mapped it out. I numbered the rays. It's just so gorgeous. It looks like something from Under the Sea, Under the Sea. Life is much better when you're a creature under the sea. Yes, look at that. Oh, I'm in love with it. But as I said before, we're going to put white paint on it in order to give it some depth because it is wild and I love it. All right, I'm going to start painting and we're going to see what happens. I think it's going to be very, very nice. So I've got some little containers of acrylic white here, and I don't know what number brushes these are. They're just brushes. Let's see here. I'm going to start. Doesn't have to be exact. Going with the lines, the natural lines of each pod. And it's just going to be very beautiful. Very beautiful indeed. This is an AI overview. The sunburst or starburst mirror's history dates back to medieval times and is associated with religious symbolism, particularly the halos surrounding figures in art. The motif also appears in the decorative art of the French Baroque period, especially at Versailles, and is linked to the Sun King, Louis XIV. The design's popularity has endured, with sunburst mirrors becoming a classic home accessory. They made a resurgence in the 50s and 60s. Okay, so we finally got finished with all of the painting of the details. It looks really good. I'm so happy for it. And then we're going to let this dry, and I will see you really soon. Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's over. Well, almost. I still have one more step to do. I'm going to put this block, well, actually, I'm going to take my miter saw and split this in half, glue it onto the back of this, and then glue it onto the mirror. But got all the clamps off. I just took these clamps off. Got one more to take off. As you can see, Karina, you want to show them how much glue I used? I used almost a whole tube of E6000 because it's a natural element and it just grows the way it grows. So it was a challenge to get the rays onto the back of the mirror. But we're almost there now. So this is my little workshop. I need to come in here clean up now, but it's my little workshop. So here's my miter saw that's over here. I am just going to split this sucker. Whew. Okay, done. 2 pieces. Woohoo! Now, we're going to do this. I have to flip this over. It's totally beautiful, you all. Got to give it a little clean. I love it. I love it. Let me just see here if this is going to be good. Oh, that's a little bit too large. What do you think, babes? I don't like it. Maybe I should just do it directly onto the mirror. I'm just going to do it directly onto the mirror. Okay, just give it a little squirt. Going to clean it up. Oh, look, there's some glue over there. Isn't that just gorgeous? Ooh. Let me see now. The back. These were the 2 pieces the 4 pieces actually. So I'm going to kind of line these up because I've got these 2 long sides here that looked better. And remember, since this is handmade or handcrafted, that Nothing's going to be exact. And plus, because the materials are from nature, it's not going to be exact. Is just what it is. So I'm going to glue the points that are the lowest to the mirror, and then, and I gotta like kind of lay it on too. I might have to go get some more E6000 because I have used up this entire tube. Oof. Alrighty, let's flip this sucker over. Let's flip this bad boy over and put it on this mirror. Shall we? Go! Okay, there it is. We're going to let that dry. And then after it dries, we can do the big reveal. And I'm telling you all, I think it's going to be just gorgeous. Okay, the time has finally come. Yeah! I'm finished. Now let me say that this was a lot. All right. It took almost 2 weeks to get this done because it was a natural element. I had to paint it and then paint it again and then put the details on it. My wife and I put the details on it, and then it was the gluing. The gluing took the most time. It had to glue and then sit and then glue some more to make sure that it was sturdy and then sit and then let it put weights on it and clamps on it and everything, and it finally came to fruition, and I'd like to show you all now. This is the handcrafted wild DIY Starburst mirror. So, again, thank you all for sticking around with us for 2 weeks to see how seed pods would turn into a starburst mirror. I'm really happy and excited about this starburst mirror. Eventually, it's going to go into the extra bedroom or our bedroom over the bed as soon as we redo them. And we want to say, come on back and join us again. If you like our content, please subscribe. We would appreciate it very much. This is Teresa signing off for Happy Life Plus 5. My wife is behind the camera. I got one little puppy dog here and one down on the ground. And the seniors are hanging out in the living room. So we appreciate you guys. Again, subscribe. Come on back. Remember, stop and smell the roses because life has a lot to offer. Adios. Hasta luego. Ciao. See you next week.